Hello guys, and it seems that we entered age of drones. At least usage of such machines on a modern battlefields became massive. Maybe it can be compared with the appearance of airplanes during the Great War or helicopters in Vietnam. Yes, unmanned aerial vehicle, not an ultimate power. It depends on weather conditions, effectiveness of enemy anti-aircraft defense, tactics, but sometimes it can be ultimate and very effective. What do you think about drones? Are they produce a new revolution in military? Okay, absolutely new kit in 1/38 scale. One of the popular UAVs, maybe overhyped a little bit, Turkish Bayraktar TB2. This belongs to Ukrainian Air Forces, and this kit is also produced by Ukrainian company Clear Prop. We have here a marking that this is a starter kit, so that means that advanced one maybe will appear, but upgrades for a starter one is available right now. So 25 centimeters wingspan or almost 10 inches and length 14 centimeters or 5 and 5 inches. Not so small, 135 plastic parts in this box, and some links that maybe will be useful for you if you want to purchase one of these Bayraktars. And on another side, marking schemes, only one here available. We check decals a little bit later. Okay, let's open ordinary double modeling box with plastic kit inside. We have here two small packages with upgrades. I bought them additionally for this kit, so the starter box doesn't include them. I will show that upgrades in the end of this video. What about inbox stock details? One package where all the details is located for this drone. Let's open that package and check. Dark gray plastic. I put all sprues with the details. That I repeat 135 parts here totally. And what I can say, the fuselage, for example, is not big, it's even small, so that's good that this kit in 1/38 scale, because in 1/72 it would be very small, maybe, I'm not sure. But the wide wings, 25 centimeters all, make this model larger than it is. Let's zoom our camera and see a little bit closer our details. Nice cast here. So we see here different panels, rivets or what they are. Looks everything good. Clear Prop company has other aircraft models in their arsenal. Japanese, Soviet, maybe American, I not remember all of them. Second sprue with the wing parts. Looks very simple, but it's a drone. A modern drone. I don't think that here have to be such a detalization like on World War II planes, maybe, I'm not sure. On the other side we see here connection points, that's good. Well, it will be a good idea to compare this model with the real photos of Bayraktar, for those who loves historical accuracy. And what we have next, two smaller frames with small details, big amounts of them, we can see here. Propeller, yes, this is not a Messerschmitt Bf 109, but it still has propeller and a piston engine. A lot of small details that I can't classify, mostly different exterior parts, chassis elements and so on. The wheels, they are good. By the way, one of upgrade sets allows to replace these wheels on resin 1. I decided to use here in-box wheels and they are good, even protector a little bit visible here. Extra small parts looks very good. I can compare this kit with my Zero that in my current project from Eduard in 1/48 scale, and I can say that this kit is very close to Eduard's Zero, maybe they are equal. Hard to say because this Bayraktar doesn't have such a detalization because of its prototype. Last of the sprues with the grey details. Here we can see different armament for this vehicle, rockets, handlers for them, and eyes of these drones that you have to combine with the transparent details. Transparent details, by the way, looks cool, only 5 details here, and not all of them is needed in this kit. Decals, only one painting option for Ukrainian Air Forces. But as you see here, there is some variance with the numbers. For this drone with a number from 401 to 407. Maybe in advanced version of this model there will be available some other painting options. Compact instruction with small historical reference and a color chart for ammo MiG and Mr. Color paints. Almost all parts is needed in this kit except one transparent detail. By the way, instruction a little bit funny here, because it can be... well, yes, you see. But why not? Maybe it's such a design, or someone forgets something, I'm not sure about that. Here is painting and stencil scheme. Instruction in general looks good, a little bit unusual, but good. Not very hard project as it seems to me. By the way, we can see here that separately you can purchase such a stand. And I think that's a good idea for such a model. Unfortunately, I didn't bought this stand. Maybe do that later. Okay, let's talk a little bit about upgrade sets that are available now and can turn the starter kit in advanced one. There are 3 sets that I saw in local shop. I decided to bought painting masks. Why not? I want to make my painting process a little bit easier. Second upgrade set is photo etching parts. Not so many metallic parts, but I love photo etch, so yes. And the third set, as I said earlier, is the upgrades with the resin vehicles. But as for me, inbox is still good, and I think there will be enough that wills for me. So yes, what I can say? Well, I can wait when I start this project, but yes, of course, before we have to finish at least 0 interceptors. That very cool. As for me, this kit looks very good. Unusual, maybe not for everyone, because it looks a little bit specific. It in the same way a modern aircraft vehicle, but with a propeller, so some combination of new and old technologies. I hope it will be easy and build. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, you can write something in comments, and good luck to you guys, goodbye.